Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to enable message notifications on WhatsApp Web on your PC using the latest update. If you use WhatsApp Web often, turning on notifications can help you stay connected without missing any incoming messages, even when the browser window isn't in focus. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to WhatsApp Web. Log in by scanning the QR code with your phone if you haven't already. Once the WhatsApp interface appears on your screen, look towards the left side menu. You'll see a small gear-shaped icon that's your settings. Click on it to open the settings panel. After opening settings, find and click on the option labeled notifications. This section allows you to manage all your notification preferences directly from WhatsApp Web. Inside the notifications menu, select messages. This is where you can control how message alerts behave on your desktop. Now, look for the setting called Show Notifications. It may appear as a toggle button or checkbox depending on the browser you're using. Simply enable it. Once you turn this on, WhatsApp will start showing message pop-ups or desktop alerts whenever you receive new messages, even if the tab isn't active. If your browser asks for permission to show notifications, make sure you click Allow. This confirmation step ensures that WhatsApp Web can display alerts seamlessly. Without this permission, the notifications won't appear, even if the setting inside WhatsApp is turned on. After enabling everything, you can test it by sending yourself a quick message or asking a friend to do so. You should see a small pop-up on your screen showing the message preview and sender name, and that's it. You've successfully enabled message notifications on WhatsApp Web with the new update. From now on, you'll never miss an important chat or reply, even while multitasking on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with others who might need it, and stay tuned for more quick tutorials to help you master your everyday apps.